rush to the start, I fall, I feel the pain, the sorrow, the scar in you. This pain is rain and I swoon. The sorrow, the scar.
Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Vlogmas day 5 and I just finished doing a little bit of morning yoga. I'm gonna link my yoga music playlist down below. It's literally just a bunch of really good songs to flow to. Obviously I'm not a pro at yoga. I kind of just do what feels right and I just move with the music and stuff like that, and I've just kind of practiced things that I've learned in previous yoga classes. Now that I finished doing my little practice, I am going to start getting ready because I'm going to hang out with my friend Simone, and I think we're going to drive to the beach even though it's pretty overcast out. But like, I feel like the beach is always a good idea, you know?
Focus of this year. Now moving into 12 is really different because 12 is a number of completion.
Okay guys, so I just got ready, did some light makeup and put on an outfit, but Simone is on her way and then we're gonna probably go get coffee somewhere. I'm gonna ask her if she wants to because I kind of want to, and then we're gonna go to the beach even though it's probably freezing, honestly. So guys, Simone just texted me saying that she was lost, and it's not very easy to get lost, but I guess she just hasn't been in my house in that long. She said that she thinks that she's at one of our other friend Claire's old house, but like Claire hasn't lived there for like at least 5 or 6 years. So the fact that Simone is over there is just really funny to me. Greetings, Conrad.
Your mom. Natalie!
Oh my gosh, Simone.
Hi.
Hello, girly.
Hey,
How
guys.
did you get lost?
Dude, I literally went to Claire's house. I was pissed on the way back. I was like, are you kidding me? This is not the street.
My heart was set on you. Why, what to do.
So we got our bagels and our little lattes here. Mine, I got lavender put in there for $1. Where's my bagel? Oh, it's in there somewhere. And now we're headed to the beach.
Let me just tell you guys what they did with the lavender. So it was $1 extra, right? And we're thinking,
they're gonna like mix it in, like
right, it's gonna be like flakes, maybe something homegrown, organic.
A leaf, a lavender leaf.
Right. She takes the bottle of essential oil, puts a toothpick in it, dips it over once, stirs it around, calls it good. What a great service, honestly. And the thing is, knowing Erica, this is the type of things that these are the type of things she buys. She really finds value in these things. And I always have to tell her, Erica, that's a ripoff. I could give it to you. I have essential oil, you know? So thanks for tuning in. If you ever want some essential oil, Coffee Cats really is the place.
It's a little bit windy, so we made it to the beach. Look how pretty it is. Oh, someone's surfing. Wow. Look how pretty it is. My God! You really did that. I can't help myself. You really did that. What? Oh. Just chilling with all my besties. Aren't they cute? We love them. They're afraid of us though. Hi guys, so as you can probably tell, it is hours later since I last vlogged, but I don't know, I've just been not the best vlogger today. But after we got back from the beach, we just came and hung out here at my house for a bit, and then Simone left, and then I ended up like taking a nap. I've been trying to find some bathing suits for the Mexico trip that we're going on Christmas. Is actually the day that we leave, and then we come back on New Year's Eve. I'm very, very excited. We're gonna go and we're gonna stay at a resort and stuff. So we're kind of going for my birthday and for my mom's. Yeah, I've got a few that I've picked out. I guess I'll show you guys some of them. I'm ordering from Zaful, so I've never ordered from them before. People have told me it's good for like cheap swimwear, so I'm really just hoping that it works out. So here are a few of the ones that I've picked out. I've got a cover up thing, this army green one, this blue one, a black one, a yellow, which is very daring for me, and I love this color. So I'm hoping those won't take too long to arrive, because I really want to obviously try them on and make sure that they fit and stuff, because I don't know, I don't own any bathing suits. I own one, I think, because I'm just like not a bikini wearing type of gal. I got a few things the other day when me and my mom were at Macy's, not bathing suits but just like outfits to wear there, and then of course I have like a ton of summer clothes that I'm gonna bring with me as well. Sorry I didn't get a ton of footage today, but this vlog will obviously be continued tomorrow. Once I place this order, I'm probably going to just read my book and go to bed. I do work tomorrow, so gotta wake up a little bit early. Good morning, guys. So it is the next day. It is Vlogmas day 6 today, and I just got ready because I'm headed to work this morning. I opened the store, so I've got to be there at about 10:30. I think I'm gonna stop somewhere and get coffee on the way. I haven't decided where yet, but if I have enough time, I really want to go to my favorite coffee shop that I went to on Vlogmas day 2, I believe it was. I want to show you guys my outfit before I go. And of course my room is going to be a mess, so just keep that in mind. This top that I'm wearing is from Lulu Simon's studio. That is where my friend Michaela works. They make like graphic tees and stuff like that. They're all super cute. You guys should definitely check them out. I'll link them below. Then I'm wearing some pants from Free People that actually came with a matching top, but I'm just wearing the pants today. And then I'm just wearing my Vans. And this duster sweater is really old. It's from H&M. It is freaking cold, guys. My top 2018 songs just came out, and I'm so excited. This is like a playlist that Spotify makes every year, and so it basically is just gonna show me all my fave songs that I've been listening to all year. So I'm gonna play you guys some of them.
What's down behind me? Every day I let go just a little bit more.
I love this song. It's Pia Mia.
And I don't know how from back to the one that's no good for me. Find a way, don't change on me. Am I an insult injury? When you find all in your coffee collection, it's a sign of times. You getting spiritually enlightened at 29. Give yourself a try. And now I dance and I sing and I live full. I give it all to the call of the unknown. All fears and my tears, give it all away. I play like a child of the earth.
Okay guys, I just made it to my favorite cafe. I don't know if there's parking. Oh yes, right here. Alrighty, just made it to my favorite cafe, and I'm gonna go get some coffee really quick. Hopefully the line isn't too long. I brought my little sustainable mug here. I'm gonna go get an oat milk vanilla latte. Got my nice little oat milk latte here, and we're back en route to work. It was really difficult getting out of my car and getting back in because there's a huge puddle, like it's flooded right outside my door. So I had to like put everything in this little bag and then hold my pants up because my pants are really long on me, so they would have gotten drenched. We're all good now, so we can now resume the ride to work. All right guys, I just made it to work. It is literally freezing in here, so I just turned on the dang heater. Ooh, I just see we got some new rings in, which is not good for me because that means I'm going to spend my money. Oh yes, the heater just turned on. I don't usually work Thursdays, so I don't know how busy it will be today, but we'll see. I'm here till 3, So yeah, hopefully it's a good day. Hey guys, so I'm now off work. As you can probably tell, I'm driving. I'm really hungry. I haven't eaten since breakfast, so hopefully there's some good at home I can make.
Save me more than any religion.
Hey guys, so obviously I'm back from work now and I've been home for like an hour or so, but I was just FaceTiming my friend Grace. She's going to a concert tonight, so I was just chatting with her while she was getting ready. But I got the package that I was waiting for. I think I mentioned it like 2 days ago that I was waiting on a package, but it finally came today and I'm gonna do a little unboxing for you guys. So this is the Goddess Provisions subscription box. And you guys, if you are into any kind of like crystals or like moon cycles and tarot, like anything spiritual, I guess you could say, this is like the best subscription box ever. They always have the cutest things in it. Like, I'm obsessed. This is the December one, so let's unbox it together. First thing I see in here are some oracle cards, crystal grid oracle cards. So that's exciting. Look at that. Doesn't really want to focus, but you get what it is. Then we have a little bath bomb, it looks like. So cute. It's a rose quartz goddess bath bomb. I'm guessing there's a rose quartz crystal inside. That's so freaking cute, and rose quartz is my favorite crystal. A rose quartz inspired illuminator for body and face. Oh my god, this is so cool. You can use it in place of a makeup primer, which I'm out of makeup primer, so this is perfect. See that? Oh, heck yes. Raw and fine chocolate. Oh, I cannot wait for this. Oh my gosh, a jade roller. I have one of these in rose quartz. Guessing this is amethyst. I love jade rolling. It's so much fun. It says this is rose quartz. It looks more purpley to me, but I guess it is rose quartz. Cool. Cute little mandala crystal grid. How cute. I love it. I'm gonna have a link to the subscription box below if you guys want to go get it, because it is super cute. You will not regret it. This chocolate, so good. I love it. So it is a little bit later now and I'm about to get ready for bed, but I just want to remind you guys that tonight is the Sagittarius new moon. So if you haven't set any new intentions yet, this is definitely a good time to do that. I actually just finished writing some down in my journal. This is really a time to let go of old stories and of old conditioned ways of thinking and rewriting our own truths. But thank you all so much for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you in my next one, and I love you guys. Bye.